Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload audio to Google Drive. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're searching for it through Google, simply type in Google Drive and open the official Google Drive sign-in page from the results. Once you're on the Google Drive page, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account where you want the audio file to be stored. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Google Drive homepage, which is where all of your uploaded files and folders are managed. From the homepage, look to the left side of the screen for the New button. This button usually appears near the top left area and is marked with a large plus icon, making it easy to spot. This is the main place in Google Drive where you can create folders, upload files, and add new content to your drive. Go ahead and click the New button. A menu will open with several options. In that menu, select File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload a file directly from your computer rather than create a new document or folder. After you click File Upload, a file browser window will appear. This window lets you access the files stored on your device. Take a moment to navigate to the folder where your audio file is saved. Depending on where you keep your files, this could be in Downloads, Documents, Desktop, or another folder you use for media. When you find the audio file you want to upload, select it. Before choosing, it can help to double-check the file name so you upload the correct recording, especially if you have multiple versions of the same audio. Once selected, the upload will begin. Google Drive will usually show a progress indicator, often in the lower right corner of the screen, so you can tell that the file is being uploaded successfully. Larger audio files may take a little longer depending on your internet speed, so give it a moment if needed. Once the upload is complete, your audio file will appear in your Google Drive and will be ready for storage, organization, or sharing. If you want to keep things tidy, you can later move the file into a folder after it has been uploaded. That's all it takes to upload audio to Google Drive. Following these steps will help you quickly store your audio files in the cloud so you can access them when you need them.